Unraveling a shocking secret buried deep within your body. A hidden war that can impact you profoundly. Know this first: bacteria, both friend and foe, live here. 1. Lactobacillus aids digestion, another, Gardnerella, triggers discomfort. In the wrong balance, they wage war, causing infections, urinary tract infections, or UTIs. Your body fights, but when it loses, you feel symptoms like burning during pee. Here's the part nobody tells you: frequent sex can increase your risk of a UTI. But fret not. Follow Know Your Body for more. Ever wondered why you're drawn to some people over others? Your brain isn't just playing games, it's following hardwired rules of attraction. You see, your brain releases chemicals when you meet someone attractive. Dopamine makes you feel good, and oxytocin bonds you. But here's the part nobody tells you: your body releases more oxytocin when a person resembles your opposite sex parent. So, if your dad was tall, chances are, taller men might draw you in. Follow Know Your Body for more. Ever wondered why you crave human connection, even in a digital world? Here's the answer. Your brain is wired for it. Emotional intimacy releases oxytocin, a hormone that boosts trust and bonding. But here's the part nobody tells you: over 90% of communication is nonverbal. That means your body language, tone, and facial expressions matter more than words. When you feel lonely or disconnected, it triggers stress responses in your body. Follow Know Your Body for more. Every month, you lose about 30 to 50 milliliters of blood, enough to fill a small soup bowl. Here's what happens inside your body during your menstrual cycle. First comes the follicular phase, where an egg matures in one of your ovaries. Next, the lining of your uterus thickens to prepare for a possible pregnancy. Then comes ovulation, when your egg is released and travels through the fallopian tube, waiting to be fertilized by sperm. Follow Know Your Body for more. First kiss. More than just butterflies, your body reacts in a complex dance of biology and psychology. Heart races, palms sweat, common, but not normal. Your heart pumps harder due to adrenaline, a hormone released during stress or excitement. Sweaty hands. Adrenaline also triggers glands to produce more moisture. Kissing stimulates your olfactory bulb, the part of your brain responsible for smell. The scent of your partner can boost attraction and release feel-good chemicals like dopamine. Follow Know Your Body for more. Did you know muscle weight doesn't equate to strength? Your body hides this truth. Here's the part nobody tells you: it's not just about bulk, but function too. Muscles work in pairs, and balance is key. Stronger your synergists, stronger you become. Ignoring this can lead to imbalances, pain, even injury. Follow Know Your Body for more. Your body at peak arousal, surging, but what's really happening inside your mind? Brain scans reveal masturbation boosts dopamine, the feel-good chemical, similar to exercise or chocolate. Here is the part nobody tells you: it helps manage stress too. Each session lowers cortisol levels, reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation. Your body's way of self-soothing when life gets tough. Now imagine the power of knowledge. Follow Know Your Body for more. Unprepared for STI talk? Let's dive in. Sexually transmitted infections, or STIs, are germs passed from one person to another during sexual activity. They're common, affecting millions worldwide, including your body. Here's the part nobody tells you: many STIs show no symptoms, so regular testing is crucial for your health. Did you know? Chlamydia, a common STI, often has no signs or symptoms. That means it can go untreated and lead to complications like infertility. So, stay informed. Follow Know Your Body for more. Ever felt a flutter in your chest, heart pounding, palms sweaty? You're having butterflies. But here's the part nobody tells you, that rush isn't just in your head. It's your adrenal glands kicking into high gear, flooding your system with stress hormones like adrenaline and cortisol. Surprisingly, this reaction can strengthen your heart muscle over time. But remember, frequent butterflies might signal anxiety or stress. Follow Know Your Body for more. Your period isn't just a hassle, it's your body shading your uterine lining. Each month, your body builds a thick layer inside to prepare for pregnancy. When that doesn't happen, it sheds, causing bleeding you call period. Here's the part nobody tells you. This process triggers hormonal fluctuations, which can influence your mood swings and energy levels. Interestingly, during a typical 28-day cycle, your body releases more estrogen than testosterone. Follow Know Your Body for more. Ever felt like your heart is breaking after a breakup? Here's why it feels that way. Your brain releases stress hormones, making you feel anxious and sad. That pain in your chest? It's not just in your head. When you love someone, the pleasure center in your brain lights up like never before. When you lose them, it goes dark. This is why heartbreak feels so physical. Follow Know Your Body for more. Every day, nearly 3 million sexual assaults occur worldwide. That's a staggering reality. Today, let's discuss consent, your right to say yes or no, and why it matters deeply, biologically and psychologically. You have a powerful tool called the amygdala in your brain. It controls emotions and fear responses. Consent helps activate this part of your body, ensuring you feel safe and respected. Without consent, stress hormones like cortisol spike, impacting your physical health negatively. Follow Know Your Body for more. Unprepared for this? Emotional abuse can do lasting damage to your brain. Here's the part nobody tells you, it can change your brain structure, just like physical abuse does. Your body produces stress hormones, impacting learning, memory, and emotional regulation over time. This isn't a movie scene, it's reality. You see, your brain adapts to its environment. In an abusive one, it learns to expect danger, altering how it processes emotions. Follow Know Your Body for more. Men and women aren't just different, they experience pain differently. Most think it's emotional or cultural. No, it's biology. Here's the part nobody tells you, your brain processes pain differently too. You have distinct neurotransmitters for pain perception, opioids in men, endorphins in women. Opioids are stronger analgesics but more addictive. Endorphins provide relief and boost mood. But here's the twist, men respond less to stress-induced pain than women due to a protein called prostaglandin E2. Follow Know Your Body for more.